Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a hotel adai at your home. So for the hotel adai, what you need, here I soaked all the things. So I took 1 cup of rice. So you can use any rice, not the basmati rice. You can use the Sona Masuri rice or Ponni rice, any rice. So 1 cup of raw rice and I took one so I took this measurement cup guys. So you have to use the same measurement cup for all the dals also. So I took 1 cup of tur dal, 1 cup of chana dal, 1 cup of urud dal, 1 cup of moong dal. So yeah. So here I am telling again, I added 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of tur dal, 1 cup of chana dal, 1 cup of urud dal, 1 cup of moong dal. So yeah. So everything we have to soak this one for at least 3 to 4 hours. Then we have to grind this one as a smooth batter. So first we have to soak all these things for 3 hours. So this measurement will give you the nice hotel adai. So after 3 to 4 hours, I am adding this dal along with the red chili in the blender, and we have to grind this one as a very smooth paste by adding little bit of water. So here I am adding little bit of water and I am going to grind this one as a smooth. So the batter is ready, and in this batter I am going to add the ing powder. The ing powder is the must for this adai recipe guys, because we added lot of dal, so the ing powder is the must. If you want to add the ginger, you can add the ginger also. That is up to your choice how much ginger you want in your adai. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger powder. If you have a fresh ginger, you can add the fresh ginger also, but I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger powder. And it's time to prepare the adai. The batter is ready, and take a pan, add some oil in the surroundings, and here I am adding the adai batter into this pan. So you can use the non-stick or any pan, and we have to do this one as a thin. That is up to your choice whether you want your adai in thin or thick. And here I am adding the oil in the surroundings. In this also you can add some oil. You can add the ghee also. And we have to cook both the sides until it becomes light brown and crisp. The other side. So can you see the color of the adai is ready, and it starts becoming light brown in color. And what I am going to do, I am going to make a small hole in the 4 sides of the adai. And in this, I am going to add the hotel they usually do like this. And in that hole, I am adding some oil. If you want to add ghee, you can add ghee also. That is up to your choice. And I'm going to remove this one. So the adai is ready, and I'm going to put this one in the serving plate. I'm going to put this one in the plate, and I'm going to make one more adai. So this is a quick video of how to make perfect adai with the hotel sambar at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.